In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a music track to your Godaddy website. Adding background music or audio tracks can help create a more engaging experience for your visitors and make your website feel more interactive. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official Godaddy website. Once the home page loads, click the Sign In button near the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your Godaddy account credentials and log in to your dashboard. After signing in successfully, you will have access to all your websites and products. From here, locate the My Products section and find the website where you want to add the music track. Next, click the Edit Website button. This will open the Godaddy Website Builder editor where you can customize your website content and layout. Once the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the audio player or music track to appear. Now look for the Add Section button or the plus icon inside the editor and click on it. A list of available section types will appear. In the search bar, type audio or music to quickly find the correct feature. Look for an audio section, music player, or HTML section depending on the options available in your Godaddy website builder. Select the audio related section and click Add. If Godaddy provides a built-in audio player, you can upload your music file directly from your computer or device. Choose your music track and wait for the upload to complete. Once uploaded, you may be able to customize settings such as autoplay, loop, volume, or player appearance depending on the available options. If your Godaddy plan does not include a direct audio upload feature, you can also embed music using custom HTML code from a third-party audio platform. After setting everything up, preview your website to make sure the music player works correctly and the audio plays properly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Publish or Update Website to make the music track live on your website. Your visitors will now be able to listen to the audio directly from your site. And that's it! You've successfully added a music track to your Godaddy website. Thanks for watching and goodbye.